Today we're going to talk a little bit about Tamanu oil. Hi everyone, Manuela Marcheggiani from Isomers Skincare, cosmetic chemist with over 30 years experience in formulation and skincare chemistry, and also manufacturer out of Toronto, Canada, where we are vertically integrated and we make our own skincare. We do research and product development. Our whole element is problem-solving skincare. There's a problem, we want to solve it, we create the formulas in the most effective way, and we've been doing it for over 30 years. Today we're going to talk about Tamanu oil, and the reason why I want to talk about it is we've started to incorporate Tamanu in our line called Simple Science. And the reason why we have gone for this ingredient is that it is a nut oil, yes. So a lot of people who have nut allergies probably won't be able to use this ingredient, but the ingredient is very high in fatty acids. And this is very important because it's going to help with the cutaneous comfort, it's going to help with the soothing and hydration properties of the skin. It helps to seal in the lipids, or helps to seal and reduce transepidermal water loss. So in one part of our Simple Science routine, and it should be in one part in the part of your everyday skincare routine, you cleanse your skin, you put your serums on, but you also always want to have an element where you are protecting or repairing or building or supporting your skin barrier function. Your skin barrier reduces the water loss, it helps protect your skin, it helps combat dry skin. Many times too, it's going to keep the sensitivity at bay. So Tamanu has been shown to have high value in skincare formulations for sensitive skin, dry skin, eczema, redness, inflammatory elements. Very supportive of the skin barrier. So we are incorporating it in a couple of our formulations, more specifically our barrier relief formula, which actually is dedicated to the ceramides and the lipids of the skin to help create this really great barrier. We're trying to create a moisturizer, sealer, protector, skin barrier benefitter that is more universal to be used by most skin types, especially sensitive and dry skin. That is Tamanu oil. I suggest that you look into it if you have more questions, or you need more help with supporting your barrier function. You know, I suffer from really sensitive skin, very reactive skin. So my skin barrier gets compromised really easily, and that is why I wanted to create something that is going to be quick, easy, successful in supporting that skin barrier. Because when your skin barrier is happy and well supported, trust me, you're happy too. I hope you enjoyed our conversation a little bit about Tamanu oil. I thank you so much for joining us, and I look forward to talking to you soon. If you like our videos, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up or 2 or 3, and share, and we'll talk to you again real soon.